2026 Nissan X-Trail Hybrid e-4ORCE 1.5 VCT Hybrid. The 2026 Nissan X-Trail represents Nissan's latest refinement of its popular midsize SUV lineup. In many global markets, the hybrid model pairs Nissan's 1.5-liter VCT, variable compression turbo, petrol engine with electric drive technology, either as a mild hybrid or in more advanced e-POWER e-4ORCE layouts. This summary focuses on the hybrid powertrain version, often referred to as e-4ORCE VCT Hybrid in some markets, which delivers a blend of petrol efficiency and electric assist performance and can go beyond a typical mild hybrid. Gear powertrain and performance. Battery engine architecture. 1.5-liter VCT, variable compression turbo, petrol engine paired with an electric motor, hybrid system. Variable compression allows the engine to shift between higher compression for efficiency and lower compression for performance. Combined power output in the stronger hybrid variants e-4ORCE packages is around 210 to 213 HP, approximately 157 kilowatts, and about 330 Nm torque or more. Checkered flag performance. 0 to 100 km per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, in roughly 7.0-7.2 seconds for strong AWD hybrid variants. Top speed around 180 km per hour, 112 miles per hour, for hybrid versions with AWD. A milder mild hybrid X-Trail with VCT engine alone, without full electric drive, does 0 to 100 in approximately 9.4-9.6 seconds and approximately 200 km per hour top speed. Motorway fuel efficiency. Claimed combined fuel usage for full hybrid versions, around 6.1-6.9 L, 100 km, approximately 14 to 16 km/L depending on driving style and conditions. Mild hybrid 12V assist only variants show a RI equivalent around 13.7 km per liter, approximately 13.7 km per liter in India-like cycles. Anti-clockwise arrows transmission and drive. Uses Nissan's Xtronic CVT continuously variable transmission, or e-CVT style in more electric-centric hybrid e-POWER AWD forms. Some markets offer e-4ORCE AWD electric AWD system, boosting traction and dynamic control. Couch and lamp interior and features. Person PC tech and convenience. Large digital driver display, approximately 12.3 and 14.3, infotainment screen in higher trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charging, dual zone climate. Premium cabin audio, e.g., Bose system, in higher trims. Flexible seating, second row adjustable, third row optional in some regions, 575 plus liters of boot space with seats up, expandable by folding rear rows. ARV comfort and practicality. Comfortable, spacious seating for 5 to 7 people depending on region and variant. Good visibility, ergonomic controls, and modern interior ambiance. Shield safety. Across many regions, the X-Trail scores well for safety with features such as checkmark autonomous emergency braking AEB, checkmark lane assist technologies, checkmark blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert, checkmark multiple airbags, checkmark traction control and hill start assist. Actual safety equipment levels vary by market and trim. Upward trend pros and highlights. Checkmark strong mixed powertrain performance, especially in hybrid AWD forms with sharp acceleration. Checkmark EV-like driving feel in e-POWER variants, thanks to electric drive and instant torque. Checkmark modern tech and comfort features as standard in many trims. Checkmark spacious and versatile cabin suited to family use. Checkmark good fuel economy for a midsize SUV hybrid, competitive with other hybrids. Downward trend cons and considerations. Red exclamation mark CVT behavior. Some drivers find CVT less engaging or hesitant compared with traditional automatics. Red exclamation mark ride comfort. Apache-style suspension tuning can feel firmer on rough surfaces than some rivals. Red exclamation mark complex hybrid setup. E-POWER electric-centric hybrids may deliver real-world economy below official figures under certain conditions. Red exclamation mark pricing varies widely. Premium tech and AWD hybrid versions command significantly higher prices than basic trims. Money bag pricing and market position. In India, like on-road terms, for mild hybrid, around Rupee 49 to 57 lakh. Approximately. Depending on trim and taxes. Europe and other markets price differently. Hybrid AWD variants often priced higher. Bar graph summary snapshot. Aspect key point. Powertrain 1.5 LVCT hybrid with CVT e-CVT. Output approximately 163 to 213 HP depending on hybrid tech and drive. Acceleration approximately 7.0-9.6 seconds, 0-100 km per hour. Fuel efficiency approximately 6.1-13.7 km per liter, cycle dependent. Tech and comfort: high-tech infotainment, premium touches. Safety: advanced driver assists widely available. Best for families, tech lovers, long-range travel. Checkered flag takeaway. The 2026 Nissan X-Trail Hybrid, including e-4ORCE 1.5 VCT Hybrid, stands out as a well-rounded midsize SUV that blends efficiency, tech, and performance in an attractive package. It's not the sportiest in its segment, but offers real hybrid benefits, EV-like responsiveness in e-power forms, plus comfort and space for family use. Would you like a variant comparison, e.g., mild hybrid versus full e-power AWD, or a feature list by trim level?